back to our channel. We're going to do a new yoga story on this occasion of the International Yoga Day. It's a story about monkey and the crocodile. It is aimed for kids between the age 3.5 to 6. Also on this International Yoga Day, we would really love to spread the importance of yoga in toddlers, kids, teens and youngsters. So let this year be filled with positivity and peace. Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Started. Once upon a time, there was a monkey, and the name of the monkey was Hunky. And Hunky was a very brave monkey. He was brave, strong, and he was generous. He would give all his animal friends fruits and vegetables every day. Also, kids, remember, you have to focus and be mindful during the story, because I will ask you questions at the end of the story and you should answer these questions, okay? We have to be mindful when we do yoga.
I am mindfulness.
Yes, you'll be mindful. Yeah? So let's get started. Hunky Monkey was a very good monkey. He would do yoga every day. So he started his day doing yoga. He would sit like this and then he would take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out through your mouth. One last time. Breathe in. Breathe out. So now Hunky Monkey was very energetic. And then he jumped around. How did he jump? How did he jump? Jump. Nice. High. This. Yeah. And then he swung from one tree to another, another tree to another. And then he picked up so many fruits and vegetables. Some for himself and some for his friends. And then he went and met his friends. Animal friends. Whom did he meet first? He met the giraffe.
Yeah.
So, take 1 feet distance.
Like a palm tree pose.
Yes, like a palm tree pose. So he took 1 feet distance and then he stood up tall like the giraffe. And then what did he give the giraffe? G for giraffe and G for grapes. So,
Grapes.
yeah. So the giraffe ate some grapes. And then the giraffe was very happy. The giraffe thanked monkey. And then he went to the rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros.
Yeah. How was the rhinoceros? The rhinoceros was like this. Swag its horns.
Why?
And then
Why?
he was happy to see Hunky Monkey, because Hunky Monkey got him some raspberries. R for rhinoceros, R for raspberries. And then the rhinoceros had raspberries. And then Hunky Monkey went to the cow.
Oh.
Yeah. And what did Hunky Monkey give to the cow? He gave him some cherries. C for cow, C for cherries. Then he went to the cat and he gave the cat some cucumbers. C for cat, C for cucumbers. Then he went to the dog. The dog was very happy to see Hunky Monkey. So the dog started wagging his tail like this. And then the dog also put up his leg and started dancing. One leg, then another leg. And then what did Hunky Monkey give the dog? He gave him dates. D for?
Dates.
Yes. D for dog and D for dates. And then Hunky Monkey went to the snake.
Like a bujang.
Bhujangasana, yes. So he went to the
A cobra.
cobra. And then what did he give the snake? He gave the snake strawberries. S for snake, S for
Strawberry.
strawberries. And then
The snake was happy.
the snake was very happy. Then he went to the horse. And then what did Hunky Monkey give the horse? The Hunky Monkey gave the horse honey melon. H for horse, H for honey melon. And then there was another horse. Yeah. And then what did Hunky Monkey give the other horse? And then he gave the other horse also a honey melon. And the horse was very happy. He was... And then Hunky Monkey saw a crocodile. The crocodile was all sad.
Why?
Yeah, so Hunky Monkey asked the crocodile, "Crocodile, crocodile, why are you so sad?" Then the crocodile said, "I have no friends and I am hungry." So Hunky Monkey said, "Don't worry, my friend." Hunky said, "Don't worry, my friend. I will give you some delicious mangoes." And then Hunky got the crocodile a few mangoes, and then the crocodile ate those mangoes. And then the crocodile, the wicked crocodile, thought to himself, right, aha, if these mangoes are so delicious, the monkey's heart must be even more delicious, because he eats these mangoes every day. And then he thought of a plan. He told, he had an idea. He told the monkey, "Monkey, Hunky, do you want to sit on me and come to my place?
Yes.
So I can take you home for dinner and my wife will cook you good food. Come, Hunky Monkey, sit down."
Like this?
Yeah, give me your hand. And then you do a back stretch. Yeah. The crocodile took Hunky Monkey on his back to his home. And halfway through, the crocodile realized that now there is no way that Hunky Monkey will be able to get back home. So he told Hunky, "Hunky, do you know, I'm not taking you home for you to eat dinner. I'm taking you home because I'm going to eat you for dinner, eat your heart for dinner." And then Hunky Monkey was all tensed and worried. But then he didn't let it show on his face. He sat down, cross-legged, and then chaplangal. And then he imagined two birds. Because he wanted to calm his mind, he decided to do a few breathing techniques. So he took a deep breath in and blew. Imagining a flower blossom. Which color is this flower, Tejo?
Golden.
Golden. And which flower is it? Which kind of flower is it? Rose. Okay, it's a golden rose. You can imagine any flower that you want, any flower that makes you happy. Okay, so again he took a deep breath in and blew out. Which flower is this now? Silver rose. Okay, so Teju has a golden and a silver rose. You can imagine any flower that you want, and this helped him calm his mind. So he got an idea. Because he was calm, he got an idea. He told the crocodile, "Crocodile, crocodile, I have my heart up on the top of the tree. I don't carry my heart everywhere." And then the crocodile said, "Is it so, monkey? Now what do? I wanted to eat your heart. And then the monkey said, take me back to the tree. I will climb up and get my heart for you. You're a very good friend of mine. I will give you my heart. And then the crocodile took the monkey back home. How was the crocodile crawling back home? Can we crawl and show? Like this. Like this. Crawl, 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 crawl. Crawl, 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 crawl. Yeah. And then they reached.
The tree.
Yeah, they reached the tree. So, Hunky Monkey climbed up the tree. How did the Hunky Monkey climb up tree? Ooh! And then Hunky Monkey looked down at the crocodile, and what did he tell the crocodile? I am not going to come down now. Go home and I will never give you any mangoes or any other fruits. Jump down now. Whoop! Yeah, very good. So now Hunky Monkey was very tired after his adventurous day, so he sat down. Yeah, and he learned a lot from the story. What was the moral of the story he learned? He learned that he should keep his calm whenever there was a tense situation. And what helped him keep calm, Tejo? What helped him keep calm, kids?
Breathing.
Breathing. His breathing techniques and yoga helped him keep calm. So he decided that he will do yoga every day and he will do his breathing techniques whenever he was in trouble, and he would practice them every day along with yoga.
And sad and trouble.
Yeah, whenever he's sad, whenever he's in trouble, he'll do his breathing techniques. So sit down like Hunky Monkey, and then we will do the flower breathing technique once again. So imagine there are two buds, and then take a deep breath in, breathe out, blow on the flower. Imagine a beautiful flower in your hand that has blossomed. Take a deep breath in again. And now there are two beautiful blossom flowers.
Golden and silver.
Very good, very good. And then Hunky Monkey had all the leftover mangoes that he had plucked for the crocodile. He ate them. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. And then he fell asleep. Yeah. So now we can ask you questions regarding the story.
Okay.
What fruit did Hunky Monkey give to the giraffe?
Grapes.
Very good. What fruit did Hunky Monkey give to the cat?
Cucumber.
Very good. Whom did Hunky Monkey give raspberries to?
Rhinoceros.
Very good. What did Hunky Monkey give to the crocodile?
Mango.
Very good. And who did Hunky Monkey give dates to?
Dog.
Very good. High five. Very good. Kids were you able to guess the answers right? So you have to be very mindful when you do yoga, and also you have to be very calm and peaceful, and these breathing techniques and yoga will help you remain calm and peaceful, and also it will help you concentrate and be mindful.
Breathing techniques.
Yes, and breathing techniques.
Hope you really liked that video. Please like, share and subscribe.
Hope you really liked the video. Please don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. It really motivates us to make new videos. Also, a very happy International Yoga Day. Wish you all a lot of peace and calm in the year to come. Namaste.
Namaste.